Hey, welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a look at this brand new 2026 Forest River Wildcat 35 crib fifth wheel, rear bunkhouse 2 full, bathrooms super sofa climate, package 60,000 tankless water heater 3 ACs, the ultimate residential style layout. Only at the East Coast's #1 dealer searching for a 2026 Forest River Wildcat 35 CRIB in South Carolina or anywhere across the Southeast. This is the high-end residential-style fifth wheel you have been waiting for. Specifically designed for families and those who value privacy and convenience, this floor plan features a rear bunkhouse, a serene master suite, and, most importantly, 2 full bathrooms. Because we order custom elite spec inventory, this unit comes packed with both the Expedition and Climate packages to ensure you are ready for any season, anywhere. Make this camper yours today and give us a call at 843-756-1072.